Hi you guys, it's your girl here with an MSP, well, Moonstar Planet video, but for sure it's MSP, okay? Because I'm new that don't know. And we're also gonna play, imvu, you know. It's just me. She's a secret girl. Obviously, yeah. Of course, it started with the Daily Wheel, which I really call it. I barely call it that shit no more. I don't even play Moonstar Planet, but this is what you guys want, so I'm doing it for you guys. It will make the people happy. Okay. Bruh, no. Jeez, how come I lose that much friends? Like, you guys are so unfaithful to me now. No. Taki taki! Yes, I'm still weird. Taki taki, taki taki, womba. Honestly, Rose was amazing. Oh my gosh, let me find it somewhere. Me. I need a hug. Taki taki, taki taki, taki taki. Handa handa. Why did I have to learn that? From a commercial. Anyways, back to MSC. Bitches, more people love this shit because I got this, okay? Y'all, it's for trade if you want it. I barely got on it. I must piece on my seller this shit. Hi. Hello, this is he keeps leaving me. I love this place. Me too. By the way, if y'all, if someone, a cartoon someone I know watching, Rose let me her account, okay? So that for this video, okay? I'm not her. You know, look like her. By the way, one of my friends went on her account and dressed her up. What do y'all think of her look? Well, damn! Jasmine, damn! Y'all, please don't be like that. Don't go to places that you just are so mad or you just want to die. No, don't. No. I won't allow it. Of course, since you mean never trade. We barely trade. That's the thing. I like to wear trains, but I barely play this game, so I might. No, I can't sell it or trade it. Uh, uh, Okay, I know the song, but do you guys know these two people are here? Where they are, where they come from, and I don't like anime. Well, I do like some animes, some, not all, some. Don't come at me. Um, I I really don't know what to do on this game. Like, it got so motherfucking boring. Sorry, you guys. I know you wanted me to play this, but it got so boring. Like, damn, even one of my friends were right. That why the reason they quit this game, the reason they left for I don't know how long, but they were right, you know. This game is pretty boring. It's just like, yeah, when I used to have VIP on here, it was pretty fun and cool. But you know, it gets to the point. It gets to the point that like, there is nothing to do. Even in hold on a second, again. Even in Black Star, maybe in Bonnie Planet 2. When I just noticed how did I said that word. Oh God. Hope not. Oh, hope not y'all think something else. I I they're gonna get super naughty people. Got that? Got that? I ain't getting so. I'm crazy. Okay, people, join my crazy side. Holy sh! The fuck? The fuck? Hell no! My nigga. My nigga. I gotta make sure that it's actually him. It's not then. Is it? Is it? Cause I still remember him that just like that. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Is it? Holy shit! I think it is. He doesn't even remember me, but okay. Apparently, he's dating this girl now. Huh. Huh. Um. Um. Uh. This is just unexpected. I am. I did gotta thank her at school on Wednesday for letting me borrow her account for this video. What did this dude invite me to? Come here. No one asked. T. Okay, not screw it. This is supposed to be a freaking MSP video, but freaking screw it. It's gonna be an imvu video now. I tried, okay? I tried to make an MSP video, but no! Like, there's seriously nothing to do in Movie Star Planet. Yeah. Even though I do this game and someone, they would say, like, I miss you. I do miss you, like, very much. More than you will ever know. But Movie Star Planet, I may not come back to. I don't know, I'm thinking about it. I may do it like on last mail time, but it's gonna be on my birthday. So I'm gonna go back in, and let's hope people fucking gift me, because we all know how people is. Even if I say please, they just. But I'm not one of those boy bands, okay? Okay? Don't come at me, okay? Like I said in the beginning of the video, I'm just weird. You don't like it, then get out of my video. Okay, I can do that. I hate it when people sometimes they invite you to places and you just like not